and 10. So let's see some of the. All right, so these are a few proposals. Can you see this? SAPA no more, educating Nigerian creatives about SP, that's Stake Pool Operators, and Project Catalyst through Trade Accelerator and Music Festival in Lagos, Nigeria. So this is a proposal somebody placed to execute the project in Nigeria. And to be able to know more about it, then what do? You click on the link to open the proposal. So it's under what? Stake Pool Operators Tools and what? Community Projects. So that is the proposal title. So the name of the proposal is what is here. Then the email address of the person. Then the requested amount. So the amount the proposer is requesting to execute the project is what. So how many months the person wants to use to execute the project? The person wants to use 5 months. So the person is saying that by the 5th month, they should have finished executing the project. So as part of the work of the challenge team, so it means we are going to be in touch with these people for this whole period of time. So you keep in touch with them, you get regular updates from them, how the project execution is going, and whether they are having challenges. I think the challenges are there, which you can help. Then the life is beyond, you also report to the Catalyst community that is in charge of putting these issues together and coming out with a solution to the problem. Yes, so we give a summary of their problem solution. Then they also provided relevant links of what they do. Maybe they already do activities that is similar to what they are applying for. So this also has enriched your proposal, because you know that you are not just, in case you get funded, you will actually be able to execute the project details. So can you see my address here? So I copied this from my Roy wallet, then can't paste it here. So once you qualify for the rewards, they are going to pay you through this address. So that's more or less like your bank account. Then now the level, I am what? Level 0. So I did level 0 assessment. These were the proposals that were allocated to me. This proposal